Best 5. Dinosaur-shaped cell phone holder. Everybody like Puppy Mini Dinosaur, because this is made up high-quality materials, environmental protection and no peculiar smell. It's cute, compact and effective. Unique dinosaur design. Holds almost all size smartphone or tablet. Size: 2.8 inch x 3.1 inch x 1.3 inch, weight is 2.6 ounces. Built with high-grade silica gel, the phone stand is more flexible for stretching. Check the description for best price and details. Best 4. UGREEN cell phone holder. 85mm 95mm, UGREEN desk phone stand is foldable and easy to slip into your pocket. Directly adjust to your preferred angle among 10 different viewing angles, from 0 degrees to 100 degrees. Hold your smartphone or mini tablet at a comfortable angle. Superior ABS and rubber pads on the bottom to protect the stand from sliding and durable in usage. Check the description for best price and details. Best 3. Nulaxy dual foldable phone stand. It can be easily adjusted to your desired angle with your hand. It can be fully folded to pocket size, which will save you plenty of space and make it easy to carry anywhere. It is compatible with 4 to 10 inches devices like Nintendo Switch. The whole body is built solid and durable with aerospace aluminum. The anti-slip pad and feet works perfect to keep your devices in place. Check the description for best price and details. Best 2. MoKo cell phone holder. Extremely lightweight and pocket-sized, folds up to a completely flat shape. 6 fully adjustable slots, easily adjusts stand angle, supporting both vertical and horizontal viewing. Strong and durable ABS and rubber ensures stability, holds devices up to 11 inch. Well-placed rubber pads for surface protection protects tablet from scratches and sliding. Check the description for best price and details. Best 1. Lamicall cell phone stand. Compatible with iPhone and Android phones in 4-8 inches. Designed on a low center of gravity makes it stable, and rubber cushions of hooks. Suitable height, perfect angle of view when using FaceTime. Black aluminum alloy, smooth edge, simple, lightweight, perfectly works with your smartphones. 1 Lamicall cell stand, as well as our lifetime warranty service. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. And stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe for next updates.